Come on. Waiting. Off the recording. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Okay, we will start the new topic. Okay, so before new topic, I hope that everybody knows that tomorrow our paper is there. Sarvan माहित आहे ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so prepare well. So question paper pattern will be. Can you note down question paper pattern? Hello. All of you, please note down the question paper pattern. So 15 marks are given for basic civil. Okay, and 15 marks are for basic mechanical. Now in 15 marks, so you'll find 3 MCQ questions. MCQs. Write down. In 15 marks मध्ये कसं डिवाइडेशन होते बघा. Hello. How the division is there for the ISC 1? 3 marks MCQs, Then next one. Okay. Then remaining total 6 questions will be given. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Total 6 questions, theoretical questions. Total 6 questions will be given. Out of 6, you have to attempt any 5. Any 4. Attempt any 4. Attempt any 4. So each question carries 3 marks. So I will mention here also. One question will be given. Okay, in that A, next B, next C, next D, then E, then F. Okay, out of 6, A to F, you have to attempt any 4. Okay.
Sir, how many numericals?
No, you may find 2 numericals. Out of 3 types, 3 type पैकी कुठले 2 टाइपचे न्यूमेरिकल विचारले जातील.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So total 6 questions I will ask, and out of 6, इथला आपण सब्जेक्टिव्ह क्वेश्चन म्हणूया. सब्जेक्टिव्ह क्वेश्चन्स किती असतील? 6 असतील, आणि 6 मध्ये तुम्हाला 4 अटेम्प्ट करायचे, लक्षात ठेवा. So you have to attempt 4 questions. So each question carries 3 marks. Each question carries 3 marks. Okay. Any doubt? Any doubt in the question paper? Pattern?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
So entire syllabus of thermodynamics, we have covered all the numericals, theory questions, all the MCQs. So prepare from that, and you have to attend the ISC. ठीक है? Okay. Now we'll move to the next topic, that is pumps, compressor and turbine. That is unit number 5. Pumps, compressor and turbine. आता हे युनिट जे आहे, it is purely theoretical. There is no any numerical. Right. So this topic will be covered by following manner, that some concept it is difficult to imagine. So I will show some animations, videos. So for better understanding purpose, I will show some videos or animations so that you will get the clear-cut idea about the pumps, compressor and turbines. Right. And for this topic, I will give direct notes. You have to prepare well. And during our lecture, you will draw only diagram and important points. I will not dictate all the step by step or line to line. Not required. Will it be okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Line to line dictation ची गरज आहे का? जे इम्पॉर्टंट पॉइंट आहेत, इम्पॉर्टंट डेफिनेशन आहे की जे गरज आहे आपल्याला, that I will give in I will dictate. So remaining points you can refer my notes. जे notes तुम्हाला देईल त्या notes refer करायचे and you can go for the preparation. Okay. So like this we will proceed for the remaining chapters. So unit number 5, it's purely theoretical, pumps, compressor and turbine. Okay. So we'll go step by step. So please put the heading pumps, compressor and turbine. Pumps, compressor and turbine. आता काही जणांना प्रश्न पडला असेल की हा जो चॅप्टर आहे पंप्स, कॉम्प्रेसर आणि टर्बाइन हा प्युअरली असं फार मोठ्या मोठ्या मशिनरी तुम्ही म्हणजे इमॅजिनेशन झालं असेल. पंप्स, कॉम्प्रेसर्स आणि टर्बाइन्स, these are the applications that we are using in our day to day life. आपण डेली यूज मध्ये आपण ह्या गोष्टी वापरतोय. तर त्याचं तर थोडंसं प्रत्येक त्याचं फंक्शन, त्याचं कन्स्ट्रक्शन, त्याचं वर्किंग या गोष्टी सर्व माहित असणं गरजेचं आहे. ओके, so for every engineer that must be aware about these mechanical devices, important mechanical devices like pumps, compressor and turbines, right? So firstly we will discuss about pumps, then compressor, then turbines. 3 पॉइंट आहेत लक्षात ठेवा. या चॅप्टरचं आपण डिवायडेशन 3 पार्ट मध्ये करतोय. पंप्स पहिला पार्ट पंप्स असेल, दुसरा कॉम्प्रेसर आणि तिसरा टर्बाइन्स. ओके, पहिला पंपचे जे काही पॉइंट्स आहेत ते कव्हर करू, then we'll move to compressor, then we'll move to turbines. Likewise we will cover the all the 3 points. Okay, so first the title of the chapter is pumps, compressor and turbine. Title of the chapter is pumps, compressor and turbine. So firstly we will define what is pump. What is pump? Anyone? What is pump? Anyone? Anybody knows about the pumps? बघितलेत तुम्ही सर्वांनी? Hello? Now interaction must be on both sides. Two-way interaction, not one way. What is pump, or have you seen the pump? बघितले सर्वांनी? Or my next question, are you using pumps? Are you using pump at your home?
Yes, sir.
Tell me that name of that pump. कुठला पंप वापरता तुम्ही?
Sir, that's STB.
हा, correct. That is what reciprocating pump, na? That pump is called as reciprocating pump because motion is reciprocating motion. So as motion is reciprocating, hence name of the pump is reciprocating pump. Good. Azun?
Motor pump.
Motor pump. Okay. So pump which operates by using motor. That is what motor pump. No problem. See, let us understand the pump. So pump is a mechanical device. Pump is mechanical device which is used for transferring or conveying the liquid or fluid from one place to another place. Correct? What is function of pump? Pump is a mechanical device which is used to convey or transfer the liquid or fluid from one place to another place. That is nothing but pump. बरोबर ना? पंपचं काम तेच असतं ना? Suck the water, okay, or whatever the fluid you are going to suck it and discharge at some other place. That is the function of pump. असंच ना? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So shortly you can understand pump is a mechanical device which conveys or transfer the liquid from one place to another place. One place to another place. That is the pump. The next is compressor. Compressor, have you heard the word compressor? Could you bug it like compressor device? Anybody has seen compressor? बोला, बोलल्याशिवाय काहीच मला कळत नाही. Please speak. Whatever you are having, whatever you have seen, you please discuss with me. कॉम्प्रेसर बघितलंय का?
Yes, sir.
हा, कुठे असतो कॉम्प्रेसर?
Air refilling in tires.
Yes, for filling the air in the tire. So you are using the compressor. Means जिथं पंक्चर दुकान वगैरे असतात त्या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला कॉम्प्रेसर डिव्हाइस बघायला मिळते. बरोबर? I think everybody has seen that at that place only. Compressor used for filling the air in the tires. Okay, good point. So basically, what is the function of the compressor? जसं पंप म्हटलं तुम्ही, pumping means what? It is conveying the liquid from one place to another place. So similarly, what is function of compressor?
Increase the pressure of gas.
Correct. To increase the pressure of the air. So compressor is a device which sucks the air from the atmosphere, and the compression process takes place, and which increases the pressure of the air. And that pressurized air you are adding into the tubes or whatever the required place. Okay. So compressor is used for to increase the pressure of the air, or you can say gas. Whatever the gas you are going to use. So the compressor device which will increase the pressure of the air or gas. That is the main function of compressor. The next turbine. What is turbine? So turbine is a mechanical device. Okay, turbine is a mechanical device which extract the energy from the flowing fluid. म्हणजे जे तुम्ही fluid टर्बाइनच्या ब्लेड वरती वगैरे फॉल करणार. Okay, maybe liquid or any maybe steam or gas, whatever it is. So that turbine will rotate. Okay, due to impact of such working substances, the turbine will rotate. Means what? You will get mechanical energy. You will get mechanical energy. Get it? So shortly we can say the turbine is a mechanical device which extract the energy from the flowing fluid and convert into useful work. That useful work is nothing but mechanical work. Are you getting? So turbine is a mechanical device which extract the energy from the flowing fluid and converts into useful mechanical work or useful work. Are you getting the functions of each device? प्रत्येक डिव्हाइसचं फंक्शन काय आलं का?
Yes, sir.
पंपचं फंक्शन काय? To convey the liquid from one place to another place. Pump is used. Compressorचं काम काय? Compressor is a device which is used for increasing the pressure of the air or gas. That is the compressor. Then turbine is a mechanical device which converts or extract the energy from the flowing fluid and converts into useful work. So this is the functions of each device or each machinery. Okay. So pump, to run the pump, what you require? To run the pump or to drive the pump, what you require? पंपला तुम्हाला ड्राइव्ह करायचं असेल तर काय लागतो इनपुट म्हणून? हाऊ यू आर रोटेटिंग द पंप? तुम्ही मोटर बघितले का? हॅलो, फार्म मध्ये किंवा आपल्या घरी मोटर पाहिले का सर्वांनी?
हो सर.
Actually we should not call as a motor. That is a pump. ते मोटर नाहीये, इट इज अ पंप. ते जो बॅक साइड पोर्शन आहे इट इज अ मोटर. इट इज अ मोटर. सो विथ दॅट मोटर यू आर रोटेटिंग द पंप. पंप मध्ये जे काही इम्पॉर्टंट एलिमेंट्स असतात, इम्पेलर, ओके, तर ते रोटेट करून तुम्ही काय करताय? वॉटर सक करताय आणि ते वॉटर बाहेर डिलिव्हर करताय. गेटिंग? तर व्हॉट एव्हर द पंप is there that we are driving with the help of motor. Okay, sometime we can call as a motor pump. म्हणजे मोटरच्या साहाय्याने त्या पंपला ड्राइव्ह करता म्हणून त्याला मोटर पंप म्हणतो. ओके, बट ऍट ऍक्च्युअल we should not call as a motor. It is a pump. It is a pump. Pump is a mechanical device which conveys the liquid from one place to another place. So what are the last part? it is a motor. So that motor is giving input rotational energy or rotation to the pump, and accordingly pump works and sucks the liquid and delivers to the required place. Okay, so that is what can we call pump is a power absorbing device. Can we call? Hello, can we call pump is a power absorbing device? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So all should do one thing. All should get fresh. Take break of 2 minutes. All should get fresh. Take a break of 2 minutes. Okay. Then come join once again. Chala patkan fast quickly. So I will take a pause. Patkan 2 minutes again fresh wa. Chala. Patkan. Because I'm not getting response from your end. Chala patkan. Roll number 39, roll number 38, 37. Please patafat. Roll number 46, 61, 60. You can go fast. Take break of 2 minutes. Okay, shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, whenever you feel sometimes sleepy, it is obviously natural. After lunch break, you sometimes we will feel sleepy. So you should get fresh immediately and attend the lecture. Boys, मुलामध्ये?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall we start now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Always, I want you to be very energetic to attend the lectures. So it is online or offline, whatever it is. So we are discussing about the pumps, compressor, and turbine. So just I discussed the function of each device. Pump is a mechanical device which conveys the liquid from one place to another place. Then second is compressor. Compressor is a mechanical device which is used for increasing pressure of the air or gases.
Pressure of gas.
Then third, turbine. Turbine is a mechanical device which extract the energy from the flowing fluid, because that fluid you are going to pass over the turbine and the turbine will get rotates. Okay, so that is why we can say turbine is a mechanical device which extract the energy from the flowing fluid and converts into useful work. That useful work is nothing but mechanical work. Getting? So this is what the function of each device. Now for driving the pump, we require a motor from the external. Okay, so we have to connect the motor to the pump. Okay, so once you drive the pump with the help of motor, means what? Pump is a power absorbing device. Getting externally तुम्हाला वर्क इनपुट द्यावं लागते पंपला रन करण्यासाठी, त्यामुळे काय म्हणणार तुम्ही? पंप इज अ पॉवर absorbing device. Similarly, compressor, to drive the compressor, how you can drive the compressor? You require a motor in series. बरोबर आहे का? कॉम्प्रेसरला पण ड्राईव्ह करण्यासाठी मोटर लागेल की नाही लागणार? हॅलो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so to drive the compressor, to run the compressor, we require motor to drive the compressor. So we can call compressor is also power absorbing device. Then third, turbine. So turbine, is it require any work input for turbine? No. बरोबर आहे का? काय लागतंय? Turbine itself is a power producing device. How it is power producing device? Because if you consider a water turbine, आपण water turbine जर घेतला तर त्या डॅम मधून वॉटर काय होणार? पाईप मधून येणार, टर्बाइन वरतीच्या जे ब्लेड्स असतात त्या ब्लेड्स वरती ते वॉटर फॉल होईल आणि मग ते टर्बाइन फिरेल. मीन्स व्हॉट? वी ऑब्टेन हियर मेकॅनिकल एनर्जी. वी ऑब्टेन हियर मेकॅनिकल एनर्जी. म्हणून म्हटलं की टर्बाइन इज अ पॉवर producing device. Turbine is a power producing device. So these three devices are very important for us to learn this. I hope function of each device is clear to all. सर्वांना कळालं का?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so what is the central idea of this unit? What is the central idea of this unit? See here, basically in this unit, we are going to discuss the principle, working, construction of the pumps, compressor and turbine. Okay. Also, we are going to focus on the construction details and types or the applications of each device. Construction details, types and the applications of each device. So whatever our focus or whatever the central idea of this chapter is, basically we will discuss about the functions, working, construction details, applications of each device. If I take example of pump, we will see its applications, construction, then it's a types of pumps we will discuss in detail. Then similarly, in case of compressor, we will see its types, applications and construction details. Similarly, in case of turbines, so what are the different types of turbines, its construction, function, working and its applications. All these things we will discuss in this unit. जे आपल्या चॅप्टर मध्ये जे काही कोर आयडिया आपल्याला ह्याचे त्या घ्यायचे किंवा सेंट्रल आयडिया आपण त्याला म्हणतो, तर एवढ्याच फक्त गोष्टी आपण डिस्कस करणार आहेत. Then next is importance. Why this chapter is important to study this? Why it is necessary to study this, or why how it is important? Okay. So as we know that there are different applications where we require pumps, where we require compressor, where we require turbines. Okay, if you go in the industries, for cleaning purpose we are using the compressed air. Okay, जर तुम्हाला एरिया पूर्ण म्हणजे तिथला जो काय मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग सेक्शन असतो तिथं खूप सारे डस्ट असतात किंवा छोटे छोटे जे पार्टिकल्स असतात मेटल पार्टिकल्स, तर ते थोडस टू गेट क्लीन. Okay, so we can use the compressed air. So with like arrangement of compressed air with high pressure, if you spray it at the particular place, so it get cleans immediately. Cleaning एकदम fast होता है. So we use compressor in the many industrial applications. Or next one is the pumps. So pump is used in the agriculture purpose, or our maybe pumping the different fluids like gases, oils, etc. Okay, in different hydraulic systems. Okay, so where hydraulic system is there, we need to go for pumping the greases or maybe oil, etc. So everyone should know it, how pumps is there, how it works, what is its construction, what are its applications. Then compressor, what is compressor, what are its types, which compressor is suitable for which discharge. All these things we will discuss in the chapter pumps, compressor and turbines. So that is why we'll have to study the pumps, compressor and turbines. Okay, then next is so I hope that importance why we have to study this chapter. Basic intention is to understand the applications of pumps, compressor and turbines, where it is compressor is used, where turbine is used, where pump is used. So you should get the idea. That is why we'll have to study at first year level pumps, compressor and turbine. Now afterward, objectives and outcomes. What objectives you will set for learning this chapter, and what are the outcomes after learning this pumps, compressor and turbine? What outcome you will get? Okay, so very basic question. What are the objectives of this unit and what are the outcomes of this unit? So that we'll discuss now. So basically, first objective is to understand the basic principle working of pumps, compressor and turbine. Okay, then second objective is to understand the basic components of pumps, compressor and turbines. Then third is to understand the different applications of pumps, compressor and turbines. These are the certain objectives. Okay, so to achieve these objectives, once you understand all the principles, construction, functions, you will get that, or you will be able to explain, or you will be able to select the pump as per the application. जे काही application असेल त्यानुसार तुम्ही कुठल्या टाइपचा पंप सिलेक्ट करायचा त्याचं तुम्हाला जजमेंट लगेच जाणार. किंवा कॉम्प्रेसर असेल तर कुठल्या टाइपचा कॉम्प्रेसर आपण कुठल्या application वापरायचा. That clarity you will get once you learn this unit pumps, compressor and turbine. Okay, so have you given the heading? Have you given the heading or not?
Yes, sir.
Screen दिसते का नाही दिसत?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now please, if you see the syllabus, in the syllabus, if you see the points, what are the points in the syllabus? Power absorbing devices. सर्वांना screen दिसते syllabus ची?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you see the syllabus, first point is power absorbing devices, pumps. It's a definition, classification, construction, working and applications of reciprocating pump, centrifugal pump. Okay. Then second device is compressor. Its construction, working, applications of reciprocating compressor, rotary compressor. So under rotary compressor, we will discuss root blower and vane blower. Okay. So this is about the power absorbing devices. So only two devices are there. Those are the power absorbing devices where you require external work input. That is why you can call as a power absorbing devices. The next is power producing devices. That is turbine. So for the turbine, we will discuss its construction details of turbine, working, and applications of Pelton wheel, Francis, and Kaplan turbines. So Pelton, Francis, and Kaplan, these are the name of the scientist. Name of the scientist. So Pelton turbine. So that turbine is designed and developed by the Pelton. Francis turbine, it is designed and developed by the Francis. So those scientists have given name of that is their name only as a name of the turbine. Getting. So we have to discuss in detail construction details, working, and the applications. Then this is about the entire syllabus that we will discuss. Now first, pumps. Or shall we write the syllabus? Is it required to write syllabus or not? Hello? Is it required to write syllabus? Hello?
Yes, sir.
You please and then write down first. Syllabus point लिहून काढा पटकन. Syllabus power absorbing devices dash pumps dash definition comma classification construction comma working and applications of reciprocating pump, comma centrifugal pump, the next line compressor dash construction comma working and applications of reciprocating compressor comma rotary compressor into bracket root blower comma vane blower bracket complete. Next line power producing devices turbines dash construction comma working and applications of Pelton wheel comma Francis and Kaplan turbines Okay, noted the syllabus.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we'll move to the next point. We'll discuss now pumps first.
So 2 minutes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Now we'll discuss one by one. First will be pumps. We'll discuss pump first. Okay. Just now I discussed the function and all that about the pumps. So pump is a mechanical device which conveys the liquid from one place to another place. Which conveys the liquid from one place to, or which lift or conveys the liquid from one place to another place. So here pumping, we have to go for the pumping action. So what do you mean by pumping? Pumping means what? We are adding the pressure energy to the liquid. Okay. आता तुम्ही जर बघितला तुम्ही जे तुम्ही घरामध्ये यूज करता ते मोटर, त्याला तुम्ही ऍक्च्युअली मोटर म्हणण्यापेक्षा दॅट इज अ पंप. तर त्याच्यामध्ये पुढे इम्पेलर असते, त्याच्या पाठीमागं मोटर असते, बरोबर. त्याच्या पाठीमागं काय असते? मोटर. सो इन दॅट केस की ज्यावेळेस तुम्ही पंप स्टार्ट करताय त्यावेळेस काय होतं? इम्पेलर फिरत असतो. सो दॅट इम्पेलर will be used for adding the pressure energy to the liquid, which add the pressure energy to the liquid, and which will be helpful for moving the liquid from one place to another place with high pressure. So high pressure na तुम्हाला जर liquid deliver करायचं असेल, so some energy needs to be added. That is called as pumping. So pumping means what? Adding the pressure energy to the liquid to move it from one place to another place. That is called as pumping action. Getting? Do you understand the meaning of pumping? What is pumping? Pumping means what? Adding the pressure energy to the liquid, okay, to move the liquid from one place to another place. So that is done with the help of impeller. There are different devices like piston, plunger, impeller, propellers, gears, or screws. These are the elements. With these elements we can add the pressure energy to the liquid to move it from one place to another place. Okay, if you select the centrifugal pump, definitely you'll use the impeller. If you use the reciprocating pump, definitely you'll use the piston for adding the pressure energy. So likewise, there are different types of pumps are available in market. Accordingly, the elements are present in the respective pumps. Getting my point? So gear means what? Gear is one of the element which will be useful for adding the pressure energy to the liquid. Again, screw is there. Screw is the one of the important element which is fitted in the pump, which will add the pressure energy to the liquid. So with this element, we can add the pressure energy to the liquid and move it from one place to another place. So you should know it, the basic function of the pump. And what is pumping? Pumping means what? Adding the pressure energy to the liquid and it moves from one place to another place. So that is possible by using piston, plunger, impeller, propeller, gears, and screws. So these basic elements are important or plays important role in adding the pressure energy to the liquid. Are you clear? हे तसं का होतं? पाणी एका पॉइंट पासून दुसऱ्या पॉइंट कडे इतकं फास्ट रेट न जात आहे, त्याचं मेन कार्य कोणाकडे आहे? हे जे मी सांगितलेले इम्पॉर्टंट एलिमेंट्स आहेत, पिस्टन, प्लंजर, इम्पेलर, प्रोपेलर, गियर्स आणि स्क्रूज. ओके, आता हे सगळेच कंपोनेंट एकाच पंप मध्ये आहेत का? आहेत का? नाही. प्रत्येक पंप मधला जो काय एलिमेंट आहे तो वेगळा लक्षात ठेवा. Okay, so just I have highlighted here what are the important elements present in the pumps are piston, plunger, impeller, propellers, gears, and screws. These elements will be helpful or useful for adding the pressure energy to the liquid, which will move from one place to another place. Okay, I hope you are clear with this. Pumping means what and how pumping action is carried out, right? So basically, what are the classification of the pump is there? So that we will discuss. You can see the chart. Classification of pump. Mainly, it is divided into two types: positive displacement pump and rotodynamic pump. Under the category of positive displacement, you will find two types. One is reciprocating pump. Second is rotary pump. Then similarly, under the reciprocating pump, you will study single acting reciprocating pump and double acting reciprocating pump. Similarly, you can have a classification of rotary pump also, that is gear pump, vane pump, and low pump. Okay, gear pump, vane pump, and low pump. Then, in case of rotodynamic pump, you can study radial flow type of pump. In the radial flow type of pump, you can take example of centrifugal pump. Similarly, axial flow type of pump, that is screw pump or gear pump, you can take. Okay, so this is the classification of pump. What are the types of pumps are available? These are the basic types or the classification of pumps. So two important or the basically types of pumps are available, that is positive displacement and rotodynamic pump. Okay, I hope that from this chart you can get clear about the classification of pumps. Classification of pumps. Can you get the idea from this? कुठल्या कुठल्या टाइपचे पंप्स आहेत ते क्लासिफिकेशन आहे ते can you understand? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So firstly, we will write the definition of pump or the function of the pump. Then you will have to draw this chart. हा chart तुम्हाला काढायचा आहे. Because sometime in examination they may ask, what is the classification of pump or how classification of pump is made. त्यावेळेस तुम्हाला हा chart तुम्हाला draw करायचा, लक्षात ठेवा. So first, let us write the definition of pump, or the simply mention pump into double inverted comma. Pump is a mechanical device. Pump is a mechanical device which lift or convey the liquid, which lift, LIFTS, which lift or convey the liquid, or convey the liquid from one place to another place, from one place to another place, from one place to another place, full stop. Next line. Pump is a mechanical device. Pump is a mechanical device which lifts or convey the liquid, which lifts or LIFTS, which lifts or convey the liquid from one place to another place, from one place to another place, from one place to another place, full stop. Next line. Pumping is the process of, pumping is the process of, pumping is the process of, pumping is the process of adding the pressure energy, adding the pressure energy to the fluid, adding the pressure energy to the fluid, 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 by means of piston, plunger, piston, plunger, impeller, gear, screw, etc. SCREW, screw, etc. Screw, etc. The next line, classification of pump. Classification of pump. आता हे ट्री डायग्राम काढ सर्वांनी. Draw this tree diagram. Positive displacement pump, rotodynamic pump. Under positive displacement, there are two types: reciprocating, rotary. Under reciprocating, single acting reciprocating pump and double acting. Under rotary pump, there are three types: gear pump, vane pump, and low pump. Similarly, in the rotodynamic category, you will find two types: radial flow type pump and axial flow type of pump. So radial flow type of pump, you can take example of centrifugal pump. Axial flow type of pump, you can take screw pump. Okay. So please prepare this tree diagram to understand the classification of pump. Okay, completed?
No, sir.
Okay, make it fast.
Over, sir.
Over, na? Okay. Now, next part we'll discuss, that is a classification one by one. Positive displacement pump means what and rotodynamic pump means what. That we'll discuss in the next lecture. Okay. So to cover the pump chapter, we require 2 hours. To cover compressor chapter, we require 2 hours. And to cover turbines, we require maximum 3 hours. So 3 plus 2 plus 2, maximum 7 to 8 hours are sufficient to finish the chapter. Okay. Okay, give the attendance. Give the attendance. Roll number 1,
Present.
2,
Present, sir.
3,
Present, sir.
4,
Present, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6. Roll number 6, 7,
Present.
8,
Present, sir.
9,
Present, sir.
10. Roll number 10. 11,
Present, sir.
12. Roll number 12. 13,
Present, sir.
14,
Present, sir.
15.
Present, sir.
16. Roll number 16. 17,
Present, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19,
Present.
20. Roll number 20, 21,
Present, sir.
22,
Present, sir.
23,
Present, sir.
24,
Present, sir.
25,
Present, sir.
26,
Present, sir.
27,
Present, sir.
28,
Present.
29, 29, 30,
Present, sir.
31,
Present, sir.
32, 32, 33,
Present, sir.
32 present, sir. Okay, 33, 33,
Present, sir.
34,
Present, sir.
35, 35, 36,
Present, sir.
37,
Present, sir.
38,
Present, sir.
39,
Present, sir.
40,
Present.
41,
Present.
42, 42, 43,
Present, sir.
44, 44,
42 is present, sir.
44, 45, 45, 46,
Present, sir.
47, 47, 48, 49,
Present, sir.
50,
Present, sir.
51, 51, 52,
Present, sir.
53,
Present, sir.
54,
Present, sir.
55, 55, 56, 56, 57,
Present, sir.
58, 58, 59,
Present, sir.
60, roll number 60, 61.
Present, sir.
ओके मी absent number वाचतो. रोल नंबर 6, roll number 10, roll number 12, roll number 16, 20, 29, 35, 35, 44, 45, 47, 48, 51, 52, 55, 56, 58 and 60. These are absent. Okay, thank you very much. We'll close the meeting here.